she kills it with the confidence, but they're like, all right, well, give us a proposal with your revenue projections for the next 3 years. You're like, okay, I got you. And then you leave there like, I don't know how to do that, right? Then you run to the AI and like, yo, can you help me put this together?
No, but they're not going to ask us that. So, but to your point, right, like that is true, right? They may ask questions that you just haven't been exposed to.
Yeah.
But luckily, I do have a team that does all of our pitches.
You're always going to find a weakness in your journey as an entrepreneur, and it takes a lot of work to get people to buy in, your friends to be actual business partners, and you don't usually have revenue to hire like full-time staff.
Right.
So you're on the backs of kindness of your friends to really get your business to where it is. This is just another way to get that support.
So you're saying for my mind, like just make it a friend.
It's exactly it.
I think it's really important to
train it like a new employee.
Make it a friend.
You train it like a new employee.
You seem
to your
a little
business.
resistant, right? A little bit.
And I think a lot of people are, to be honest.